Hi friends, welcome to Sheetal's Curry in the Pot, and guess what's in the pot today? It's a restaurant style veggie burger with a healthy patty inside. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. So let me quickly go through the ingredients. To prepare these veggie burgers, we need a packet of burger buns with or without sesame, does not matter. Next, I have taken around 4 to 5 medium-sized boiled and smashed potatoes. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Here I have taken 1 cup of finely chopped or grated cauliflower, 1 cup of grated cabbage, 1 cup of grated carrots, some frozen green peas and sweet corn, ginger, garlic and green chilies according to your spice level. Next, you also need some rice flour, all-purpose flour, that is maida, corn flour or cornstarch, 1 teaspoon each of black pepper powder and garam masala powder, salt for taste, cooking oil, tomato ketchup, fresh green lettuce, powdered breadcrumbs. To make the breadcrumbs, I just toast bread in a toaster and blend it in a blender to get a fine powder. Lastly, you need butter and cheese slices. So friends, now let's actually get started. First, I am going to blend the green chilies, ginger and garlic in my food processor. Similarly, I have blended the cauliflower, cabbage and carrots, and then I am going to run them in a microwave for 1 minute each. You also need to run the green peas and sweet corn in the microwave. Now in a large mixing bowl, I have taken the boiled and smashed potatoes. Next, I am adding the cauliflower. Friends, just squeeze any water if present. Add the carrots. Next, I am adding the cabbage. Cabbage usually has lot of water, so you need to squeeze it properly. Add the green peas and sweet corn. Add the mixture of blended green chilies and ginger garlic. Add around 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that's maida. Let me grind in some black pepper. Add the garam masala, and lastly add some salt according to your taste. Mix everything nicely and thoroughly. Keep on mixing until you get a kind of soft dough. Now let me taste for salt. Let me add a little bit of more salt. So friends, now our mixture for patty is ready. So let's make our patties. For this, apply some oil on your palms, make a ball of the mixture and gently flatten it. That's it. Now let me make one more patty and show you here. Just make a round ball and press it gently. So friends, I have finished making all my patties here, and as I said, we are going to make healthy patty. So we are not deep frying them. Instead, we are just going to shallow fry these patties using minimum oil. Now let me preheat my grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, don't worry, you can also fry them on a normal pan. Next, we need to make a paste of corn flour and water. So the paste should have this consistency. Now take a patty and very gently dip it in the corn flour paste and then roll over on the breadcrumbs. And friends, to avoid the breaking of the patty, I'll show you an alternative method. Here you can just pour the paste on the patty with a spoon on both the sides and then roll over on the breadcrumbs. Now my pan has become hot. First I am just adding a little oil and then place the patty. Again add some oil around it. Similarly, place all the other patties on the pan and add oil all around and also on the top of the patties and allow for some time to bake. Slowly press all the patties with a flat spoon and then flip them. Wow, look at the color. So here I have flipped all the patties and they look wonderful. Leave them for a few minutes to bake on the other side too. So friends, all my patties are baked on both the sides and let me take them out. Perfect. Friends, don't they look tempting? Wow. They are nice and crispy from outside and soft and smoky from inside. So my dear friends, let's start making our burger now. Take 2 burger buns, split the halves, apply some butter and place it on the pan with the butter side facing down. After some time, apply some butter on the top side too. Flip them and wait for some more time. So friends, our buns are baked, patties are also ready. Now first I am applying a little tomato ketchup to the buns. Then place a big leaf of fresh green lettuce. You can also add sliced tomatoes and cucumbers. And then place our healthy veggie patty. And lastly, place the cheese slice and close. And my dear friends, our restaurant style tasty and healthy veggie burger is all ready. You can serve these veggie burgers fresh and hot with some ketchup and potato fries if available. Friends, my kids loved these burgers, asked for more and more, and enjoyed to their heart's content. And I'm sure your kids are going to do the same if you try to make these burgers. Thank you very much, my dear friends, for watching my show. And if you have enjoyed my recipe of this veggie burger, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time with more interesting recipes. Goodbye for now. Stay safe.